You're not lazy. You're just mentally exhausted. And no one really talks about this. Because from the outside, it looks like you're doing nothing. Scrolling, sitting, wasting time. But inside, your brain is overloaded. Too many thoughts. Too many worries. Too many things you feel like you should be doing. And that pressure, it quietly drains your energy. So even simple tasks feel heavy. Even starting feels impossible. And then, you blame yourself. You call yourself lazy. But here's the truth. Lazy people don't feel guilty. You do, which means you actually care. You want to do better. You just don't have the mental space right now. And that's a different problem. Because you don't fix exhaustion by pushing harder. You fix it by clearing the noise, slowing down your mind, and focusing on one thing at a time. Not 10, just one. Because progress doesn't come from pressure. It comes from clarity. So no, you're not lazy. You're just overwhelmed. And once you fix that, everything starts to move again. Subscribe. Because here, we talk about what actually works